can't believe nightmares turn into a dream. If you're so toxic to me, what am I feeling? Cause I thought it was over. Got me thinking my feelings over. You keep.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am doing a updated eyebrow routine for this year, 2023. I have done one of these videos in the past, and those brow routines were okay, but I felt like my brow routine could have been a little more better. In this video, I actually liked how my brows came out on camera. This is like my actual brow routine, like the steps and everything that I do every time I do my makeup. I use any brow pencil, whether it's the brand that I use today, which is Kokie Cosmetics, or I use a Benefit brow pencil, or I use another brand, 52 Cosmetics, a new brand that I started working with. I use any brow pencil. I just do my brows the same either way. And also, you guys will see the makeup look that I did along after this eyebrow tutorial, which you guys will see at the end of the video. But anyway, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and also don't forget to click the notification bell every time I post a new video. And also leave some video suggestions down in the comments of stuff y'all want to see on my channel. Whether it's like more makeup tutorials or wig tutorials or whatever the case may be. Make sure you also guys follow me on my TikTok and my Instagram, which are both the same. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in the next one.
switching the flow. Just trying to travel the globe. Tired of being underlooked in this bitch. Tired of hearing I can't wait till you blow. Had to step out.
How does it feel to be? Feel like the feeling of a surprise. Feel like I